Nothing really stopped me from pursuing my dreams even after I became a mother. When the dream is to compete at the highest level of the sport, you need to be at it constantly. Motherhood is this emotional bond that always keeps you on your toes. While I work hard to ace the game of tennis, a part of me wants to be completely hands-on when it comes to Izhan. There's no right or wrong way, but as a mother, I want what is best for my child, and hence I do a lot of research, read articles, and talk to friends. One such research introduced me to Sebamed baby products, and it has helped me to feel completely in control when it comes to Izhan. Sebamed is the dermatologically tested and European certified product range for babies' delicate skin, made from completely safe botanical ingredients. Perfect pH 5.5 keeps your baby's skin protected and healthy. Sebamed, helping you to be hands-on and the safest best a mother can give her baby.